finally another video on something that practically created this channel, Gunbot. Today I'm finally going to be making an update video on Gunbot and all of the super exciting stuff that has happened since the last time I have covered it. Sadly, I have been focusing on Forex and improving my personal trading ability, so I haven't had that much time to go through what has been happening with Gunbot. However, today I will finally update you guys and tell you everything there is to know about Gunbot and about what has happened to it since my last video. Now, make sure you guys check out my previous video if you haven't already. It is super interesting. And if you guys want to stay informed and make money, make sure to subscribe. I will be making tons of videos on investing, cryptocurrency, of course, Gunbot, and other automated trading solutions as well. So make sure you guys subscribe. And finally, if you guys are interested in purchasing Gunbot, make sure to purchase Gunbot on gunbot.store. But anyways, let's get right into the video. So first off, let's just take a look at Gunbot. I know it has changed a little bit since my last video. There has been a few updates, to say the least, a new graphic interface, new strategies, and much more. But just quickly here, you can see it was completely redesigned. We have a trading map now in order to easily view all of the coins in your portfolio, as well as a much easier interface in order to change settings and view all of your authentication settings, trading view settings for the trading view scanner, as well as your config and strategies. That of course has been added to. As you can see here, there are many more buy methods and sell methods on Gunbot now, and they're all individually customizable. I've covered this in the past, and there have been added strategies and added customization, as you can see here, which is always exciting to see. And I'm so happy to see that even through the bear market, Gunbot has been coming out with so many updates, and now you can almost completely customize whatever strategy you want with whatever indicators you want in order to trade profitably on Gunbot. Now, if you guys want to see more information about the strategies added to Gunbot, make sure to check out the Gunbot wiki, as I don't want to spend too much time covering all of the strategies on Gunbot right now in this video. So make sure to check out the wiki. It will be linked down in the description down below. I want to talk about something that is much bigger and much more important, and that is the Gunthy token. That is right. Gunbot now has an ERC20 token that is traded on IDAX as well as other decentralized token exchanges, although IDAX is the highest volume exchange with Gunthy listed. And as you can see, we have actually had 50 Bitcoin in volume in the past 24 hours, and some days with even more volume, so it's actually not that bad for such a new token. It has been getting pretty good volume, even though it's not even on the biggest exchanges yet, so that's extremely cool to see. And the use case of the Gunthy token is that every single license is tied to the tokens that you are holding, and that is depending on which license you have. So if you have the starter license, which is the cheapest Gunbot license, then you will be receiving 400 Gunthy tokens. If you have a standard license, then you need 1,000 Gunthy tokens. And if you have an ultimate license, you do need 1,500 Gunthy tokens. So basically this creates a demand for the tokens on its own. Anyone who wants to use Gunbot has to have these tokens. But obviously if you do purchase it, you do get these tokens for free in an airdrop. So that is very cool. Once again, purchase it on gunbot.store. And one other interesting thing about these tokens, aside from the fact that you do need it in order to use Gunbot, is that there are going to be perks to holding more Gunthy tokens. There will be ways that Gunther will be creating buy pressure on this token in order for more people to hold the token and for the value to go up. One of those is very big, and that is Bitrage. So if you guys haven't heard of Bitrage, Bitrage is the Gunbot arbitrage bot that trades between exchanges in order to profit on a much lower risk level. As you guys may have heard in the past, such as arbitraging, they claim that they do that on their website. However, with Bitrage, you can physically download a bot and make sure that it's working, trading arbitrage for profit. And so far, I've heard very good things about Bitrage. It has been very profitable, but you might be saying, Well, if Bitrage is going to be offered to everyone, then it's not going to be profitable, and I completely agree with that. And so that's why Gunther has created a system for limiting who can use Bitrage through the Gunthy user rankings. So how this works currently is the users with the highest ratio of Gunthy tokens to the license that they have get a higher ranking on this system. So for example, if you have a starter license, if you have a Gunbot starter license for 0.04 Bitcoin and you're holding 400 Gunthy tokens, which is required in order to use the license, then you have a 1-for-1 ratio on your license. However, if you're holding, say, 2,000 tokens with a license that only needs 400 tokens or 500 tokens, then that means that you're holding 4 times the amount that your license needs. So as you can see right here, this user has 2,000 tokens with a starter license, and they are ranked 20 on the Gunthy rankings because they are holding 4 times the amount of tokens that they need in order to use Gunbot. And so these top 20 users, as you can see here, it is currently a little bit over 20, as there have been some people that have been added through other methods, such as helping the development of this bot. However, the top 20 users will be able to use Bitrage, how this ranking system is going to work, and it's going to be super, super cool to see how Gunther uses this in the future. Hopefully the Gunthy token can be bullish on this next Bitcoin bull run, and hopefully you guys can definitely profit from Gunbot as well as Bitrage by participating in the ranking system. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you have been caught up to what has been happening with Gunbot. I know it can be a little bit confusing, especially if you haven't used Gunbot in a little while due to the bear market. However, now that everything's turning around, it is looking more and more appealing to start using Gunbot again, or purchase Gunbot, or even use the arbitrage bot if you are interested in doing so. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and see you guys in the next one.